Uh, 90s, 90s, 90s music. Do. Retest. Good morning, guys. Jay, good morning. Wes, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Hello, hello, Josh. Good morning. Good morning. Honest, good morning. Louis, good morning. Johnny, good morning, Johnny. Eddie, good morning. Eddie, Ayo. Costa, Ayo. Musty, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday. I'm hoping for chaos today, chaos. One of these days, we need to go up 200%. This is unacceptable. Unbelievable. Focus, good morning. Doug, good morning. Renel, good morning. Raynell. La, 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 la. Okay, I think we pre-market gainers and losers. We have those. Let's see here. La, 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 la. Okay, let's see. Let's see. La, 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 la. Maybe I retested the 200 actually at this rate. I'm just looking at some of these names still. And then I need to look at the calendar before I forget. Okay. Mm, 12 p.m. EST Eastern Time. Perfect. Because they what, Josh? Oh my goodness! I just saw your comments in there about McDonald's. Good morning, Alika. Good morning, Mohammed. Yeah, waiting for the 20 retest. Yeah, it does look like it's consolidating a little bit at the at 340. Even though 310 would be nice would be a nice retest. Let's see if we get a double bottom or something at some point. Chapman, good morning. Rusty, good morning. This one's done well. This morning we talked about the levels. This thing has honestly done exactly what we talked about last night. Exactly what we talked about when we did the goat call, right? So it's done exactly that. Look at that, right? So breakout retest, right? It's done exactly that, and it's rallied. So now it's actually breaking below the previous high, which is not a good thing. So let's see if we can stay above 205 or maybe retest $2 for MCRD. These guys had news this morning, so that's the headline. Actually, no. Yeah, it is. Okay, good. That was 9 minutes ago. I thought it was something else. Fast track tag. So again, I don't really care. I don't really care about the damn news. Because even if that's good news or not, the company still needs monies for whatever they're doing. So, um, with these pharmaceutical stocks, it's more so about the headline and the volume that comes through and the float, and less to do with the immediate impact of the news, right? So just people reacting. So then you have to pay attention to the technicals. Um, yeah, let's see if that thing can find a way to stay above already. Alrighty. Okay, while we're waiting, I am going to na 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 na. I know, right, Mohammed? That's wild. Wild. And then yes, and then I need to look at SLS. SLS. Another stock with news this morning. Okay, so news and then sell off, right? Typical, typical, typical. So we can add this one to the list as well. We can add this one to the list. Jeez, that thing is weak. Daddy, you're the scammer. Uh, let's see. Hmm. That's not too bad. So that 340 actually ended up holding. So now we want to see if that candle does close above 360, which it looks like it wants to. That would be the first time it's done that since $4.60. It might be too late. That thing might be moving a little bit quicker than I wanted it to. So, but again, I would be patient with it though. It looks good. Um, but I think I'll just gladly wait for a double bottom. 70. So there goes a retest of the chrono there. Good morning, CM. Good morning. Good morning. Omega. Hi, Jay. Good morning. My thoughts on SNTG. I'll take a look. Take a look, ski. So if we can kindly come back down to retest and then and actually hold, then signal. Right. This is just the first bounce on a downtrend. So potential rejection if we fail at 375. I do like what it's doing now, though. It looks better. So, and then here comes that $2 level we talked about for MCRD. So retest, stay above it, and then that's good. Alrighty, retest, consolidate, and then okay, cool. So this first candle, not it, not it. SLS is still selling up there. Let me take a look at SNTG. SNTG. You're in at $4.20. Okay, good. So you're green in that. Doug, you've been crushing it. So you're green in that play for now. I like that your entry is closer to the VWAP and a potential demand zone. You just have a lot of resistance all the way up here at 445. Look at the last three rallies, right? The last three runs, well, including this one actually. So right there, right? So right there and right there, 445. So we need to break above 445, and it looks like it's failing again, right? So your entry is nice. You just have a little bit of resistance at 445. If we can break above that level, that would be nice. That would be very nice. So just watch that level closely. Yeah, higher lows. Yeah, it's for sure creating higher lows, which is good, right? So it's trending up, so that's a really good thing. We just have to clear that resistance at 445, right? So I like what the candles are doing for now. The entire chart itself is creating higher lows. The candles are also creating higher lows, so that's a good thing. You just have to break out. Right? You just have to break out. The question is, will you break out or will you take profits at resistance? Right? Let's see. That candle has 30 seconds left on it. Yeah, and it's also created a new high on that candle, so that's a good thing. Just has to do the damn breakout, you know. So playing with $2 here for MCRD. So no holding, no consolidation yet. Potentially here comes the double bottom we're looking for BTBD if we can retest and hold it. Alrighty. If we can retest and hold, that would be good. Oh yeah, yeah. Yes. La, 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 la. Let's see if we can retest and hold. Uh, Uh, la, 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 la. Is that a recent transaction? It's not. It is not. La, 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 la. We might need to get a bit more of a dipski there, but we'll see. Anyways, there goes 445 again, Doug. Right, so it is trying. Like I said, the one thing I like about this is that it's giving you higher lows consistently, so that's good. Like on the candles themselves, right? Like if I zoom in on this, you can kind of see the candles trending up, right? So if that's the case, that's a good thing. And there goes the breakout for SNTG. Finally, there goes your breakout, Dugs. You're holding. There you go. Right. So don't go red, obviously. Viral media, let's go. How are you? Are you I not sure I understand. Anyways, so good to see you. It's been a while. There goes your run. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a nice little push actually. A nice little push. $4.55. Yeah, the spread is a bit ridiculous, isn't it? The spread is a little bit ridiculous. A little bit ridiculous. Let's see. The pause. Oh yeah. Don't worry, the thrust beats are coming for Doug. The thrust beats. Na, 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 na. Uh, there was one more name that I liked from the list here, actually. Maybe not. Interesting. La, 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 la. Maybe not. And then we need to talk about BTC and then the markets, right? So we will in a second here. We just had some other names to look at. Alrighty. So speaking of BTC here, let's see. Josh has done an amazing job of updating all of this with levels in the crypto channel and stock general. So if you've missed that, you can always go back and take a look. I'm just waiting for the damn charts to load here. So yeah, BTC just does the same thing over and over, honestly, right? So consolidates, tries to scam you on the way down, and then goes back to the consolidation zone, and then breaks out, and then goes boom skis again, right? So that same level that was mentioned quite a few times yesterday, right? So 47.3 is still that resistance. So if at some point we can break above 47.3, and then that could signal the next rally to 47. Did I say 73? 47.3, right? So 47.3 and then 47.5 is that resistance that goes all the way back to like March of 2022. Yeah, that little pink line at the top. I don't know if we break above 47.3 though. I don't know if that line is gonna hold. It might just become a yeah, see, that thing really isn't performing like we would want it to, right? So this is another example of that initial candle testing, right? So like once we get to that first candle and it's not holding, you potentially want to stay away, right? Because that thing is not holding and now it's retesting the 200. So let's see if we can stay above the 200 now, right? So $3.15 for BTBD, right? So that first candle retesting a double bottom is very important, right? So let's see here. For due to really? No, that's fake news. That's fake news, Mohammed. So this, let me know if that makes sense. So again, if you're looking for double bottom, right, that initial candle that's testing the double bottom has to hold. So we're looking for 340, 340 to 350. This initial candle that's going there has to hold it. Right. So like we mentioned yesterday, like having levels is good, but at the same time, you have to see what the candle is doing. Because if I see that candle selling off and I'm looking for the second candle, right, that expectation, I'm looking for double bottom. I have a potential entry price, right? But that candle needs to hold it. Alrighty, hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know. So now you're looking for the 200 at $3.15 into the open. Okay, I need to delete. Uh, hmm. Okay. Well, that's a problem. That's a problem. That sets me to -8. Yeah, 47, 47, 47.5, Josh. Yeah. Right. So technicals are very important. Very, very, very important. Right. So that first candle is becoming very, very important. Alrighty. There goes 78 SNTG. Doug, what's your stop loss at now? What's your stop loss at now? Well, mental stop loss, obviously. Assessment this morning in the crypto channel, Josh. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Ski. I'll take a look. Ski. 75. Okay, that's a nice run. That's a very nice run, actually. Is that the pre-market high was 80, so 78, 80 cents. Yeah, I know. See, I wasn't expecting that, Mohammed. Yeah. Mm, okay, let's see. Demand zone LABU. There you go. Okay, let's add that into the notes. Into the notes. Okay, notes. Support. So you're kind of hoping this level holds $3.15, Saido. Saido, alrighty. So 315. 315. Yeah, BTC needs to get back above that 47, Josh. It's trying to. There's a nice little double top at 47 now too. So going into the open for Bitcoin. A nice little double top, $47,000. SNTG looks like it's kind of double topping. Off the off three 480, 480, 475. So again, good exit for you, Doug. Righty. So a bit of a dipski there. Let me pull up the S&P because I don't think we've we because I don't think we've looked at that one yet. So SPY. Spy actually did quite well yesterday, right? So I think again we mentioned over the weekend that if we can stay above 460, 466.40 for the S&P, so that's something that I always look at, right? So when I'm going into the next week, I always look at the bottom of the previous week, right? So if the bottom of the previous week was 466.40, then that's the level we need to stay above for everything else, right? So what's Tesla doing this morning? Tesla looks fine there as well, right? So it's red this morning, but it's okay, right? So if you look at the daily for Tesla, I think we mentioned this as well in Discord over the weekend, right? So the level that we needed to hold for Tesla was the 200, right? So right around the 200, because it kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulder almost. So right there at 234 is the level that Tesla needs to stay above, right? And it held that on Monday. Friday and Monday, so that's good, right? So 434. If we break below that 11, then we have a problem. So Tesla had a nice little bouncy bounce, right? If you go all the way across, actually, so if I put a like if I put a like a circle, right? So like right there, right? So right there, Tesla holding 434 ish, 434 to 435, right? All the way across, exact same level, Tesla holding, right? So then that kind of looks like a double inverse head and shoulder. Um, no questions as to what a double head and shoulder is, but it is already. So as long as we stay above that level, Tesla is okay for now. Okay, that's the daily time frame. I'm gonna zoom back in here on a smaller time frame. Zoom back in on a smaller time frame. The S&P. So if I look at the 4 hour, maybe on the S&P here, SPY 4 hour. So again, it's done a really good job. Yeah, we never got to 460. So SPY. So slightly red this morning, but honestly, I'm gonna ignore this 4 hour candle. Let's see what happens when the market opens. Alrighty, if we can stay above 470, I think that's a win. Lori, good morning. Maggie, good morning. What's up with BTC ETF? You list it. Well, that's because we will keep having conversations of like ETFs coming, ETF coming, ETF coming. The expectation is tomorrow, right? Just a topic for exactly at some point. Exactly. So yeah, all right. Everybody is speculating that the ETF is coming tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah. So I wonder what happens tonight with crypto. I wonder. I wonder. Yeah, BTBD just has way like the selling pressure is just way too much. Surprisingly, way too much, right? So let me show you an example of what I'm kind of referring to here when I say double bottom retest. Okay, so not the best examples though. Not the best examples. This might be one of them, right? This could look like a double bottom. Um, hmm. Does SNTG have one? Hmm. Not really. Not really. Hmm. Yeah, I'll see if I can find an example for you guys. Yeah. Nah, and what's your stop loss ad side though? What's your stop loss? What's your stop loss? You're diamond handing it, aren't you? Don't diamond hand, please. Right. So again, don't diamond hand. Not yet. Well, you should always have a plan, please. Right. Always have a plan. Always have a plan. Right. Again, success will come when you can manage your losses. It's all about protecting the money. All about managing the downside. So if you're just diamond handling stuff, then you'll be in trouble. So please, again, when something isn't working, you have to make that decision really quickly, right? If it has support at $3.40, well, then it has to stay about $3.40, right? It has to stay about $3.40, because if it doesn't, then you have a problem. Anyways, so Dipsky there on SNTG, maybe a retest of 450, maybe a retest. Let's see. Ooh, interesting level. Uh, oh, like if the ETF comes out tonight, crypto stream. Oh, like, oh, you mean like tonight into Wednesday, or like Wednesday night? Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Yeah. Josh would be so excited. There's no way he would sleep. So sure. you know. Uh, okay, day two, NKTX. Yeah, so tonight or Wednesday night. I have been trying to rest up in preparation. Nope, no sleeping. Yeah, I know, right? Virus. It's been a damn long time since we had a crypto stream. But yeah, that would be the type of event that would the type of event that would make a stream. Na, na, na. SNTG is bouncing nicely there, just above the 50s. Hmm. Making a MCRD. Yeah, it's trying to, yeah, for sure. 195 to $2. Yeah, a bit of a higher low S. So that's good. Again, this is why though. This is why when you get to support, when you get to the retest, these candles have to hold, right? These candles have to hold because again, if I look to the left hand side, right, let's say I'm waiting for a retest of a breakout, right? I'm waiting for a retest of a breakout. I know that this is my breakout, this circle, right? If I'm waiting right there, I don't see the first candle or the second candle or anything holding, right? So whether you're waiting for a double bottom or you're waiting for a retest of a breakout, you have to make sure that candle is holding, right? At least the first candle has to hold, and then you're looking for that second candle to confirm that it's holding before you make a decision. If the first candle goes below that level, you kind of have issues, right? If we're getting a lot of selling pressure and those candles are going below the retest zone, you have a problem, right? So, for example, like this, right? I know that this is my breakout zone, right? So then I have to make sure that the candles retest and they're actually holding, right? In this case, honestly, this is pretty scary, right? Because both candles are kind of playing games, whereas this is a lot safer, right? That initial candle is testing, the second candle is holding it, and then boom skis. Alrighty? And if you just don't feel safe, stay away. Right? If you notice that it's selling up too much, just stay away. Alrighty? Let's see. La, la, la. La, 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 la. See, I don't know if. Okay, perfect. Okay. Event. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. 16 with a look. Thank you very much. Right. So there's the problem with BTBD, right? Like that thing is not finding a base anywhere. Right. So if it's not working, you have to get rid of it. Right. When it gives you the first red flag, you have to make a decision. Yeah. Yes. You know what's interesting is like if I have a good night's sleep, like a longer, I don't know, good night's sleep, like I can go a little bit longer without them. But yeah, I don't know. The whole process is interesting. Because some days I come on stream and immediately I can tell that I'm missing something. You know, missing something. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Anyway, so that was the S&P. What's Palantir done here with these levels? Be proactive. Slacker. I know, right? So over the weekend, we talked about Palantir at this level. Um, looks like we kind of bounced and pushed almost to closer to $17 yesterday, so that was good. Obviously, this morning we're red because the S&P and everything else is kind of red. So we shall see. I just wanted to look. What's Disney doing here? Sido again. See, if you're gonna sell for 99, like if you're gonna sell for that big of a loss, why not get rid of it as soon as it goes below Sido, right? That's the problem because now you're gonna sell it and then it's gonna go back up. Guarantee this thing is gonna go all the way back up to the price you bought at, right? Guaranteed. So again, let me pull up this screenshot here. Good morning, Bizzle. Let me pull up this screenshot here, right? I'll let you read this. Have I ever fallen asleep on stream? Funny enough, you asked that because someone else asked me that yesterday. Uh, Justin, let me know when you're connected, like when you can see channels, because you can only see the one for now, right? Let me know when you're connected, right? How easy is it for you to get into a stock and lose $50 and lose $90 and lose, well, I don't know, I think I said 9 because of the 900, right? How easy is it for you to get into something and then lose, right? $50, $100 because your stop loss hits and because you took 5 cents of a loss, right? If it goes below support, get rid of it. There's no need for you to hesitate and wait and wait and wait and wait all the way to the abyss, right? $900 versus like having to make $900 back versus a $50 or $100, that's way easier. So much easier, right? I can easily make $100 back, right? $900 a bit more difficult, right? So again, take your losses, right? Managing your losses will change things for you, right? Managing losses will make a huge difference, right? It's not that people don't have massive wins in the market. People have massive wins, right? Every single one of you has an amazing win every so often at the very least, right? The problem is the losses you're taking. That's the main problem. That's the problem everybody has, right? I bought this damn thing at this price, it's going to the abyss, right? It's going to the abyss. I'm still holding it. What should I do with it now? Well, virus. Virus. I'm not talking about you. I think people probably thought BTBD was sounded like a crypto name. Yeah, right? So again, we wanted this thing to hold a double bottom, right? But that initial candle failed, right? So if it's not holding $3.40, 350 to 340, if it's not holding that little area, you maybe don't want to get into a position initially because you're watching that candle and it's not holding, right? If this candle, if your double bottom candle is not holding, do not touch it, right? If you play with it, get rid of it if it's not holding support, right? Again, it's easy for you to make 5 cents or 10 cents back than it is for you to watch minus 50 cents and then try and make that back, right? So beautiful hold, Lori, right? 195 that Wes mentioned. So that's good. Alrighty. Okay, let me fix this. Hmm. Okay, I see. That's why. Hmm. Interesting. Good morning, Emers. Street Vibes, good morning. Oh my days. Yeah, I'm just trying to fix Justin's stuff here. Settings. Okay, don't like that actually. Oh, okay, good. Okay, you should be good to go, Justin. Settings. There you go. Good morning, Mash Travis. Good morning. Oh yeah, look at that thing sell off. Where do you find the daily movers, Lewis? In the so go to the momentum scanner. Go to the momentum scanner or the breaking news, Lewis. You good? Okay, perfect. Have you said anything about GRTX? No, I haven't. I think Josh actually mentioned that one. I have not. Not. Hmm. Are you in a position choices for life? Let me know if you are. If you're not, stay away from that thing till it breaks above 20 cents. Worthless good. He's slacking. I am slacking. If you're not in this play, just wait for a break above 20 cents. Alrighty. Anyways, Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, let me pull that up again here. Uh, just so you see. Ew, okay, I changed the color. I was wondering why that wasn't working. La, 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 la. Candle. uh, oh yeah, CPI. Huh. Interesting. Thinking about base on current pattern 20 10 4. Yeah, so I'd like to see, I mean, it's sitting right at resistance, right? So I'd like to see that thing consolidate above 20 cents first choices. You know, like when something is proven to you that it's failed at this level quite a few times, like right there, right? And then in the same zone, when it's sitting right there, you want to be very careful, right? Because it's at resistance already, so then your upside becomes very limited. Alrighty, so if that thing can break out and stay above that level, then that's a good thing, right? And then go boom skis. So break above that zone, stay above the damn level, you're good, right? And it looks like it's actually doing it, right? Looks like that 20 cents was a trigger actually. Yeah, look at that thing. 20 cents immediately to 2060. Not that it's a massive run like this. The bid is still below 20 cents. So then, just be aware that the bid is still below 20 cents. That's why penny stocks can be very annoying. Um, yeah. Good morning, Dan. Yeah, the breakout. So break, consolidate. Above 20 cents, Christmas. Christmas. Good morning, Joe. You're home for the second day now? Oh my goodness, the weather is really causing violence. Nah, 3 minutes. Amazing. Whereas Joe doesn't want to go to work anymore. Today might be another one of those days, isn't it? That would be very annoying. Actually, we need a good day. Like we need one of those violent days. This is becoming a little bit annoying. Ooh, do I still have the thing? Okay, there we go. All right, so BTBD is back above $3. Back above $3. I bet you it's gonna struggle at the 200 though. So $3.10. $3.10. So we'll see what happens. And then SNTG is trending down now. So $4.65 is a problem now for that thing. If it doesn't go above that level, just be careful at the open. And guess what that was? That was a retest, right? A retest of the breakout. So another really nice looking chart, right? So retest consolidation. You just have resistance at $4.65, and you're less than a minute away from the open. So just be careful. I'm actually going to leave it on this one because MCRB has a bit of promise into the open. SNTG looks interesting as well. So let's see. Uh, the hundreds is still perfectly intact, writing it. Oh, you mean for BTC, Josh? Oh, yeah. Against that resistance at the open, yeah, yeah. So $4.65 is a problem for that thing. So yeah, just be careful. We would like to see dip skis anyways at the open, so it looks like it's dipping into the open. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not a good thing. Good morning, Bernard. There we go, market open. And not surprised at all that we're dipping, right? Volatility. So we hit a low of 445 and then back to 465 and then right back below 450. So again, that 465 is a problem. 465 is a problem. NKTX is booming. Okay, nice. You're still holding that thing, Musty? Impressive. There goes 440. Right. So again, market open, expect dip skis. Yeah. So dip skis. There goes another dip ski for GRTX. Right. Market open, dip skis. Dip skis. Yeah, take a look at next. I'll just pull up Nexi just because I want to have it up there. Crazy stupid stock, and then I think we have this one locked. NBY. The first candle is 9 million. Hmm. Yeah, these names are all a bit sus to me at the open. Even the ones that are running actually. MCRD actually came back down to retest that 290, that $1.90 level, and then bounced. And it's back in the 190s again, Wes. Right. So all of these names look sus to me. All of them. Then again, everything should look sus to you at the open unless it's breaking out. It's coming. Uh, well, there goes Nexi. Next is above $9. It's crazy. Oh yeah, for MCRD, yeah, exactly. Again, expect even if a stock is running at the open, expect a sell-off, right? The only way you touch it is if it's breaking out or if it's giving you a higher low. If not, stay away from the market craziness, from the market open craziness, right? Stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away. Mm, 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 mm. Stay away, please. Okay, I need to. Okay, I don't like those names actually. Anyways, yeah, Wes. Let's see if we can find a way to stay above the 200, 188. So that's the level I would be watching. Ready? SNTG is still selling off, guys. Are we surprised that it's selling off? Nope. Still selling off, right? So what are you looking for here? Potential double bottom at $4.15. It's the exact same level that we hit and then bounced to new highs for SNTG, right? So 415 potential demand zone. Already? NKTX. Musty. You're still holding a $9, Musty? Hmm. But then again, that thing had a strong close, so I can see why you held it overnight. That was a solid close, actually. It closed at $11. Almost. Yeah, I can see why you held that thing overnight. Well, I mean, you're still at the same price though, so you need breakouts. 390, Justin. Okay. Nexi. $10. Next is done. Next is done better than well, it's ran for multiple days. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Mo, are you in it? What's your entry price? Nah, 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 nah. That thing needs to get back above $3, Mo. Needs to get back above $3. Why are notifications off? You sold the 70 calls? Yeah. Z70 calls. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really starting to hate pre-market signals unless they're clear breakouts. Like support at the open, support after the market opens, reliable. Support in pre-market, one simple skip of like a bit of like the bit goes way below, right? So I'm really starting to not like pre-market like support levels. Again, unless it's a breakout, unless it's a clear breakout. I like breakouts in pre-market actually, right? That's why when we talk about pre-market, like gainers and after hour movers, like I will like immediately go to like potential breakouts, break above previous highs, and then I like those double bottoms when the market opens, right? Yeah, next is halted at $10.17. 10.17. NKTX is failing at the same resistance. Yeah, it's the same level that it closed at yesterday or pushed, failed at, yeah, so 11.20. Good morning, Singh. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I think. So $11.20 must you break and close, and then you're in a way better position. Bitcoin is still below 47. Below 47. So that 47 resistance is an issue. Is a problem. Other than this one stupid stink drop to 45,500, which is impressive, Josh. Other than that, though, we've done a good job of staying above 46.4. So yeah, I don't think anybody's overly concerned about this, though, especially if the catalyst is still ahead, right? If the catalyst we're still looking forward to something, then all of this is just games being played. Nvidia for puts, okay. So no bounce yet at all. Nothing yet for MCRD. Zero, 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 zero. Right. So yes, MCRD is one of the names we're looking at going into the open, but it's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right. So it's still selling off. Good morning, Shannon. You're looking for an entry into Mera. Let me take a look. Mera. Is that the yeah, you like I would like that thing to closer to 2480-ish. Closer to 2480-ish is what I'd be looking for. Yeah, so if we can stay above $4, that would be nice. Justin. Stay above the 200, consolidate, stay above it. So you want to stay above 395 though at the very least. Yeah, 420 magic number. Okay. Yeah. So 395 is your bottom. You have for the last 3 weeks, clouds, criminal. You're looking for an entry into BDBD. BTBD. Oh, I see this one. Um, I really hate how like it has so much selling pressure on it. Honestly, from top gainer to from like the best, potentially the best stock in pre-market to losing all of the gains. That's pretty impressive. So I'd be looking for $2.50 ish if it can stay above that level. Are dropping. We are just under. That's because you combine two different things, though, right? So, since it made it. No, it doesn't always work like that, Mon, right? So when you look at like, keep in mind, yes, like, yes. Let me put the chart over on SNTG. So yes, Mara follows BTC, but if the market is selling off, Mara doesn't just stay up there, right? So um, hopefully that makes sense, right? So Mara, you're looking at the market itself because it's a stock, and then also obviously directly correlated to crypto, right? So the markets have been selling off, right? So Mara is not just going to sit there, even though it's more so connected to crypto, right? Um, yeah. La, la, la. Yeah, I hold back a good position of as you go, Josh. Yeah, there goes 419, Justin. 419. So that 200 held up really nicely there, and there goes 420. Retest of the nine. So yeah, and also Mara is way higher than it was. So if it wasn't for if Bitcoin was at the same price, Mon, if Bitcoin was at the same price, Mara would be at $20 or 21 or 22, right? So Mara has gone from $20 all the way to 20 to 27, and then back to 25. Right, so 25 is a pretty that's a pretty nice bounce. Still, ML Vapes, what's your position in C4? What is your position? La, 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 la. So yeah, that 420 fail was perfect because it was a retest of the 9 there, Justin. So a perfect fail. It looks like and so it looks like we're this is why the second candles, honestly, the second and the third candle for double bottom retest for BTBD and or anything else, really important, right? Because this is very similar to the other one we tried to play with. The difference here is we actually tested and consolidated, right, for BTBD, and now it's popping back up to 390, right? So huge difference. Market open sell off and then double bottom for BTBD, right? So it actually held up quite nicely. Uh, what's the bottom of that candle? Okay, 45. Yeah, yeah. Okay, your NC4 at 480, 489, 489. Okay, let me take a look. Next is still halted. You're so green on that play. What's your stop loss, ML Vapes? It's at $7, right? So you should be very happy with it. It looks really good, actually. Looks really, really good. Your next resistance is 750. What's your stop loss at? Yeah, that thing looks very nice, actually. If I was in that play, I would just put a stop loss. Yeah, I would just put the stop loss at the bottom of today's price, like today's low, $6.55 or something, six just below. Yeah, the second curl. Yeah, it's not really holding it, right? So again, that's why the second candle, right? The first is the test. The second is confirmation of holding something. It might still end up holding that level, Yogi, right? So it might end up staying above $1.65. But damn, look at that thing sell off, right? Do not touch the open, right? Sell, 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 sell. Nothing holding. Now you need that second. Yeah, 680. There you go, right? So pick a stop loss, set a stop loss, and then go from there. Yeah, you're nicely in the green. So nah, 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 nah. It looks like it's holding $1.65 for now, Yogi. It's trying to SNTG, yeah, right. So again, importance of the second candle, right? So we're seeing this example on so many different things, right? SNTG looks like it's coming back for a double bottom, right? Guess what happens? That first candle goes immediately below, right? Meh, right? So meh, meh, meh. Keep the ice away. Keep the ice away. So my goodness, these things are really following the nine all the way to the abyss today. So again, 395, 395. The question now is, can we actually get back above the 200, or do we just stay below the 200? So watch the 200 and then watch 395. Those two levels really important. Yeah, watch those two levels. La, 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 la. Yeah, that's a nice daily looking chart actually for C4. Nice looking chart. On halted here immediately. So there goes Nexi, guys. Nexi's at $12 now. Damn. Oh my goodness, what a rally. That thing was $5. 550. It's at $12.60 Nexi. I'm surprised it's not halted again. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. It has to be. It's halted. There we go. So for some reason, yeah, Nexi is a monster. 67%. La 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 la. 05? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, interesting. 1150? FOMO. FOMO, Josh. There you go. FOMO. I know, right? Yeah. Yeah. No, it's done really well. Stop at 1150. Okay. I honestly, Josh, like I would be a lot more aggressive with that stop loss all the way to $12.60. all the way, all the way. No. That would have been a really good. I mean, like based on what it's done, that would have been a really good FOMO, though. Right? So would have been a good FOMO. Anything to tell you that it would have been a good FOMO, though? Honestly, not a whole lot, other than just the vibe. Right? Nothing to really base that on. Just vibes. Just vibes. Tesla making toilets this morning. Yeah. Is a okay, cool. Cool. Yeah. So again, like I said, anywhere between that 2480 and $25 is what you're looking for, Shannon. SNTG is bouncing. You know what's interesting though about SNTG is that it's closed every single candle above $3.95. $3.95. $3.95. And there it goes. 417. 417. Okay, let's see here. So same resistance at 420. Yeah, Josh. Okay. Sounds good. 424. That's all you wanted, Justin, wasn't it? You just had to get that liquidity candle all the way to the abyss. Nah. You just you're just looking for you're just saving the monies for cryptos, Josh. Just waiting for you're just waiting for BTC dips, aren't you? BTC dipskis. BTC dipskis. Oh, I don't like that actually. Uh, na, 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 na. La, 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 la. 4:30. There we go. Scalpies, scalpies. Okay, perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. Yeah, yeah. That thing just never gave a yeah a West. Oui, oui. Next is still halted. My goodness. Okay. I'm drooling at the scamdol ETF approval is going to ways that cannot be every hope everyone eats their Wheaties. Yeah, right. So again, I hope we keep running into the potential, like, into the because I think there will be a reaction to the approval, but I think people should be very careful, right? I think we need to. I think maybe need to put like a message at everyone in like trade ideas or something. Josh, I know Josh has posted this multiple times in the crypto channel, but I think the expectation is that immediately as the ETF is launched, we're going to $100,000 of Bitcoin, right? So, but that's not always the case, especially when something is getting priced in, like the news is getting priced in, right? You might see a beautiful candle to, like, 47, 48, 50, whatever the number is, but you want to be very careful with, like, in terms of like what follows the ETF launch, right? The market makers are inside already. These guys are now waiting to like buy when the ETF gets approved. That will be retail FOMOing it with excitement. Retail cannot hold up the market. Alrighty, so yeah, to hear about it when it goes above above 50. Oh, you mean the yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. There goes Mara. Mara is retesting the 200 now, close to 20 25 60. Shannon, are you in a position? Did you take a position, or you're still just looking? Oh, NKTX the volume. Okay, nice little rally. Nice little, actually. Hmm. La 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 la. 11. Okay. Yeah, this is actually a nice retest of the 200 at 405 if we can stay above it. And then that gives you a higher low. You're waiting for a bigger dip? Okay, sounds good. Higher low, high hello. Mara is sending it. Wow. Mara is sending it. The high of the day is 25.65, so it's hitting highs of the day now, Mara. Wow, wow, wow. It's a nice push. Well, yeah, Josh is like the retail can hold up the market by the previous cycles. However, proven by previous. However, we do not have retail in that numbers yet. Still early in the cycle. BlackRock timed this perfectly. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I guess what I'm trying to say is like when you have that initial push up, right? Like when you have that abnormal reaction to the upside, that cannot be sustained if it's not like big monies. Does that make a difference, Josh? Right. So yeah, like hold up, consolidating in a range. But when you have that initial, because there will be that initial push, right? Like that reaction, boom skis, right? That part might not be able to might not hold up initially, and then if, over time, obviously. But is what I'm saying. Next is on halted, guys, and next is at $14. My goodness. uh, Yeah, yeah. 1370. My goodness. Oh yeah, the Merowicks. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dang, Nexi. I bet you Nexi's like firing off the oh my goodness. Okay. Uh uh liquidity. La 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 la. Yeah, 52-week highs. Yeah, no, Next is done really well. Really, really well. And it's surprisingly it's not halted. Life's good. LG means life is good. No, LG means liquidity grab in the indicator. Yeah. La, 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 la. That would have been good FOMO, Josh. Good FOMO, good FOMO. Na, 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 na. Let's go. Yeah, in real life, LG means let's go, but in the indicator, LG means something else. SNTGs, you don't have a stop loss, do you? You do not, right? So again, failing. You had that initial bounce, right? Initial bounce of the 200, but the second bounce, the first candle went right below, right? So again, do not let it go below support, because if you do, well, look at what just happened, right? That support was at $4.05. That's a way easier loss to take than it is at $3.70. You just lost an additional 30 cents for no reason, right? If it's breaking below that level, that's a red flag, right? Especially when it bounces the first time and it goes up. The second time for the double bottom, that first candle is really important, guys. We've seen this today on multiple stocks already, right? If your first candle is going below support, you have a problem, right? You might be watching this and saying, okay, well, we bounced off the 200 the first time, go up, come back for double bottom. First candle said, yeah, thank you, but no thanks, right? If you made that decision on the first candle, you saved 30 cents, potentially more, right? So make your decisions quickly, put the stop losses in, right? Are you in at $4? CUTR. Okay. You have a question though? Close above the 200 for this for the uptrend. Mara is doing so well, isn't it? Dang, Mara just gained well from the bottom. Mara has gained almost $1 there, Shannon. Right? So anywhere from that 25 to 22 to 24.80, that was a good entry, right? Double bottom to higher low. I know, Josh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You should have. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Should have. That's okay though. That's okay. Now next is dropping. Mera Boomskis. Yeah, we're having a lot of scams lately. My goodness. A lot of scam rallies lately. Uh, yeah. Love it. CUTR. Let me look at that one actually. CUTR. Nice breakout. Good volume. 18 million shares. Na, 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 na. 50. uh, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, like every market is very interesting this morning. Like futures interesting. Everything just looks a bit. Mm, 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 mm. Next is going back up already there, Josh. Treasury yields. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Craziness. Look at the size of the candles, Josh. Extreme volatility. Yeah, no. CUTR. Like I said, we need to break out there. If not, then just be careful. Alrighty. Looks like it wants to though, doesn't it? It's actually done well with the 20 million share float. It's done really well. It's done really well. If that thing can start closing candles above that resistance, that would be good. There goes a retest of the high of the day. Retest of the high of the day. There goes new highs of the day, 65. A retest of the highs of the day. Here we go. A retest. There goes new highs. There goes 470. The interesting thing is when something is hitting brand new highs, you never really know how high it's gonna go. then that becomes a problem, right? So you got your fill, okay. You might need to like scalp that quickly, a quick scalp piece, especially like at new highs of the day. There's no telling. Is it an extra 2 cents? Is it an extra 5 cents? Is it 20 cents? Is it more? Right? So just manage that position really closely there, really closely. Come on, come on. There we go. Come on. Break 70, break 70, break 70, break 70. Come on. 370. I need to zoom out to see why it's failing at 370 actually. It might just be a psychological level. It's the moon, obviously. Obviously. Yeah, obviously. I mean, the good thing is we wanted to break above the level to watch was $4.55, right? And it's broken above 455, and it's kind of stayed above 455. So let's see if we can continue to stay above $4.55. There we go. Beautiful. For now. 455, and right back down. Starting to get a lot. We're starting to get some. This candle is going to be very telling. If this candle fails to give you a new low, it's going to dip to at least the 9, and there it is. At least the 9. So $4.48. There we go. So this candle should close. Hopefully, it closes above 455. You know what's crazy is these criminals are gonna close it right there. Yup. That's actually nice. That they pushed it back above $4.55. That's actually quite nice. So we know the level we need to stay above, right? So $4.55. 455. There we go. 468. 470. There goes testing highs of the day. 472. 472. So new highs, right? And then right back down. So little scalpies. Lots of darkness. Happy new moon this week. Okay. I don't know. Sure. So happy new moon to you. Yeah. There we go. We're back to 470s. 471. 471. Come on. Interesting. Okay. Just wanted to see what that candle was doing and why it wasn't closing above. Yeah, one of these candles need to close above 470. One of these candles. Obviously, the moon. Well, in this case, well, it's trying for it, Mohammed. Obviously, next is halted down. Yeah, that was a massive run, though, wasn't it? It was a massive run, all the way to $16, almost 15 something from the abyss. Like, look at the size of this run. Honestly, look at that. No red candles from $8, from 8, from 8 to 16. Yeah, that thing had to be halted down at some point. Somebody had to. Oh, this is looking like a T-Rex. This is looking like a T-Rex. There's your T-Rex. There's your T-Rex. I'll make place closer to the market close. Okay, sounds good, Joe. Are you playing games again? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Let's see if we can stay above 455 again. Ooh, that's not what I want to do. Uh, cool. T-Rex. Yeah, that 55 will become very important. If we close below that level, we're going to go way below that level. So that thing better hold it. It better hold it. We have about another 30 seconds left on this new candle. The only thing that gets me is Joe, see ya. See ya. There we go. So looks like 55 is holding again, right? So even though we've had candles below, the more important thing is closing those candles above. And it's closing them above for now. Hmm. The one thing that I do not like though is that you're seeing lower highs on these candles, right? So this candle might be the most important candle now. It's gonna make the decision. We either sell off in 30 seconds or we bounce. One of the two. Yeah. SNTG is finally curling. Yeah, it's trying to. Yeah. Beautiful consolidation, 350-ish. There goes your sell-off, right? There goes your sell-off, your T-Rex. So you bounce immediately or you sell off. T-Rex, Timba. Timba, your next support is closer to like $4.20 to like 4.15. A new all-time high is just a pie in the sky, Andre. I know Tesla's falling like a tomato, so I just haven't looked up. What's Tesla at? Oh my goodness, Tesla. Oh my goodness. Here's that 435 level we wanted to see. Oh my goodness. Huh. Interesting for sure. Interesting for sure. Choo choo choo. Interesting. Are you asking Andre because you have a position or because you're looking for position? 234 is I reversed. Anyway, it's $2.34. So again, if I look at the daily time frame, right? So this is what I'm trying to say. So like right there, that circuit should show up, or something should show up, like right there. Yeah, right there is what I would like it to stay above. If not, then we have more downside. Alrighty, so the 200 on the daily should act as really good support. So if we can find a way to close above $234, then Tesla is still okay. If we close below that level though, we have more downside for sure. So anyways, there goes your retest. So breakout, retest. It would be nice if that thing came back down a bit more actually. CUTR. That would be nice. How it shares during the just seems like those days are over. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of that honestly going into the end of the year with elections and everything else that's going on. There's going to be a lot of volatility, so yeah. So you might need to keep trading it. And I mean, if you're dollar cost averaging and looking for stuff for long term, anyways, then that's fine. I'm sure Tesla at some point will hit all time highs again, or maybe the 300s again at some point. So at some point, question is when. Oh wow, there's news for up. Wow. Wow. Interesting. Okay. We eat chaos and violence for breakfast. Yes, we do. Right. So yeah, this year will be a lot of like chaos and violence. Chaos and violence. You know what's interesting though is 255 has become a nice little base for BTBD. Yeah. Not yeah, right? $2.50. So put it on your watch list as long as BTBD stays above $2.50. What was that? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay, I don't like that. As a yeah, it looks like Tesla bounced back above 230, 234. So we can stay above that level. Just scalping, yeah, exactly, Richard. Like there's scalps all over the place. You just have to scalp them. There's nothing that really stands out as like a runner, that like is running. It's just scalps here, scalps there, scalps here, scalps there. So yeah, it's all about the scalp piece. It's all about the scalp piece. Oh no, cancel. Scalp piece. Hesitation, Sky. Yeah, no, that's okay. If you don't feel safe with something because the spread is too wide, stay away. Right. So there goes your consolidation for CUTR, and it's slowly going back up. Yeah, that's a nice little curl. Right. A little bit of consolidation. Right. So that's why we sometimes honestly waiting for these candles to kind of set in. And you can see that it's actually holding something. That's a good thing. Right? So this stock actually seems a bit like a wild stock. It seems like it's going to be it could be fun. I wish it had a smaller float. Wish it had a smaller float. $4.45. Let's go. 420. 420. Uh, uh, hmm. Glitch YouTube's 450. That's actually another interesting bounce for BTBD there at 450. Is that a Tesla virus? Is that thing stuck in the snow? That's the Cybertruck?
Call Elon, he'll get you out.
Call Elon. $44%, Mohammed? Okay, I'll take a look. Ski. That's a nice little bounce of the VWAP for Nexi. It was back to $13 there, Josh. 13. The spread is ridiculous though, isn't it? My goodness. There goes 1330. 1330. 1330. Okay, cool. Juan, what's your like? What's your question? Are you looking for an entry? Are you in it? You looking for an exit? What are you looking for? No. What are you looking for? Call Elon. Oh, that's a different message. Yeah, Juan, what's your position? Let me know. I'll take a look. LDTC. Okay. You're thinking of an entry? Okay. Sounds good. LDTC. Nice. It's having a nice day. So next resistance is $4.10. Also just $4 because it's $4. It's also sitting at the highs of the day with very little volume. Yeah, I would wait. I would wait till this thing like finds a base above $4. Yeah, look at what just happened. Look at that, right? That thing just went from $3.99 to $3.86. Like the spread is ridiculous because it has no volume, right? One person buy, go up. One person buy, go down, right? One candle, $3.99, $3.86. So I mean, watch what happens at $3.86. See if we can stay above the 9. Juan, right? So watch that 386, 385. If not, you just want that thing to break out and actually find a way to consolidate above $4. If not, you have a bit of a problem. That's what I would do. Yeah, it's 134,000 shares, so not a massive, not a massive range. My goodness, these are like these. Some of these plays are like little 10-cent scalps, 5-cent scalps. We're used to like $5 scalps. Where next boom skis, guys? I like how I'm saying next boom skis as nexties of $5. Right. Nice rally. The whole explanation for such behavior. Yeah, seriously. Musty, that's what I would be watching. That's what I would be watching already. So that thing has resistance. No sleeping on it. It just has resistance. There's nothing to do there, right? There's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. Uh, with the stop button volume, may go back to 16. Yeah. Shannon, you got in at 25.20. 25.20. Like everything is trying to bounce. Like, I think, we're really just in that market cycle. Like everything is trying to bounce. Like SNTG is trying to bounce, but then, sell off, sell off, sell off. Right back to the abyss. $3.50. So hopefully that 350 holds. 350 holds. If we can get back above 450 for CUTR, I like it. I like it. Look at this. All these charts look almost identical. It's like, okay, they're crashing, they're trying to bounce. Nope, too much selling pressure. Too much selling pressure. Yeah, just weak, 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 weak. Again, the first month of the year has to be the most annoying month you could. There's a reason why there's a psychology chart. I know this is for the S&P, but there's a reason. There's a reason for this, right? So, because usually, the first month is there to piss you off, and then you know, how people have like all these expectations, New Year's resolutions. Oh my goodness, I'm ready for the new year, and then the new year comes and slaps you, and it's like, well, chill out, and then we go. So once we have that first run, it's over. Okay, quick look at NKTX looking to enter on a breakout above 1150. Well, then it has to break out above 1150 then. Dale, right? Has to break out. It clearly has resistance. It looks good. I like how it's holding up well. It's not. I mean, honestly, like it's to me, it's not all the way to 1150. That thing has to break above like $11.30, 11.35 and close above. Yeah, like 11.30, 11.35, and actually close the candle above, which it's sitting right there, right? So lot, good morning. So it needs to break and close. So yeah, it's trying to. Hasn't done it though. So brand new candle. Brand new candle. Okay, I wanted to look at Mara, Shannon. Oh yeah, that's a nice run. 26, Shannon. Oh, you got back in on that dipski there. Good job. That's a nice retest and a higher low, especially Shannon when it's consolidating like that, right? Honestly, sometimes you just have to give them a few candles. Consolidate for me, please, right? And then curl back up, right? Curl, curl, curl. As soon as that thing dipped, and then was able to consolidate and go above the 9, right? The blue line, Mara hit new highs of the day, right? So yeah, very nice. A rubbish meter. Back up going for the highs. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, that was a nice retest. Hello. Good morning, D. Yeah, that was a nice little retest of the breakout actually. Yeah, the breakout of the previous high, right? Previous high retest. We talked about this last night, right? So the first candle wasn't it, was it? No, it wasn't. Right? If I'm watching holo, like, oh, okay, right? Same pattern, right? So my first candle is to retest that level, right? Then the candles that follow after that, they're confirming that they're actually holding above the first candle. And as long as that stays, that's a good thing, right? So NKTX is that thing wants violence now, doesn't it? So this candle has about another 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 10 seconds. Looks like it's going to close above, isn't it? And it did. Okay, cool. So 45, 11:45. Close. Right? Hopefully it stays above it now. Hopefully it stays above. Right? At 11:30, 11:35. Like closes above 11:35. Otherwise, you just have one fat green candle and then that's it. Right? This is why I absolutely hate these big green candles. Hates big green candles. The chances of them being scams are like quite high. Right? Yes, we close above, but look at the size of the candle. Right? Anyways, we'll come back to that. Holo? Yeah, Holo's hitting new highs there. Very nice catch, Mohammed. Very nice catch. Breakout, retest, and new highs of the day, right? So perfection. Uh, for which one, Matt? Which one? Double bottoms? My goodness, all of these things are so weak. You look at this and you're like, it's a double bottom, but it doesn't really give you a stupid bounce. MCRB. It's like, yay, it's a double bottom. Yeah, it looks like a double bottom. It's trying to. But dang. So, anyways, yeah. Tight stop losses. I think Wes has a tight stop loss. Yeah. Yeah, 56. Time for a middle of the day offering. Yeah, perhaps. Perhaps. Yeah, it's it. Like everything is weak. Like all of it is weak. Which is pretty annoying, honestly. Oh, wow. Wait. Like, is that just. Are you kidding? NKTX market. So global on call. So NKTX cancer drugs market revenue projected to surpass. Okay, never mind. So they actually just had news. So the revenue is projected to surpass 289 billion by 2030. Why do I not believe that? Oh, like, well, again, so it's news that's related to the company because that's what they do, but it's not actually like specific to the company. So that's why the stock isn't moving. Why is that company specific? Anyways, whatever. I know. Thank you for the super chat. Sorry, I know. Next time I will pull up the chart sooner. Sooner. Thank you. I'm all in. Yeah, so 2030, I know, right? They're like 2030. That's an industry thing. Like, yeah, don't worry, guys. We're projecting industry revenue to surpass 200, 300 billion. It's like, okay, what does that have to do with you? Doesn't mean you're going to be around by 2030. There goes 1480 again for Nexi. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. An absolute beauty. La la la. Interest. Yeah, Nexi is crazy. Nexi is a crazy stock. Nexi. With a name like Nexi. Nexi. And a farmer name. NKTX is at 1111. Musty, make a wish. Make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish. 1111. 1111. Make a wish, Musty. You have a lot, and it's gone. So, yep. Hopefully you made your wish. Your wish is that this damn thing stays above $11 or 10.95, right? So NKTX 10.95 support $11. Nexi, crazy stock, $15 resistance. At the bottom and go now, please. Yep, it's possible. Possible. Mohammed, thank you for the super chat. Thank you. Next time, yes. Uh, na, 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 na. 36. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. You're hoping for higher low there, or just a double, a triple bottom? Okay, so we need to hold above. So 210. Okay, 210. 210, and then we have a nice little double top, but I'm not gonna go all the way to the top because I think the main problem here is 20. Yeah, or again, like I do like that 22 as a pivot, right? So, but to me, I always like the and then I'm gonna have to zoom out. I'm gonna have to zoom out there. Oh, you did? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's annoying, isn't it? Because it's right there in the okay. Yeah, so resistance at 220 for that thing. I still think CUTR is interesting. I just wish the float was smaller. Absolutely. That's what Elon says, silly humans. Yeah, Elon thinks we need more humans. So Elon says we have a population crisis or something. I don't believe that. But then again, I don't understand what Elon is looking at though. I don't. I know nothing about population, so it's like, are you kidding me? You think we need more people? You think so? We need more, like, people need to have more kids. Elon, right? Anyways, 442. I see you. Well, you're not the first person to say that actually, which is interesting. Anyways, back to Nexi, $14 still. Less of them in cities. Yeah, the next mother was good. You know, Elon is looking for when Elon thinks about population, he's thinking about Mars and other planets. It's like if we take half of the people and take them, how much more do we have on Earth? Okay, we need more. Send them to Mars to work and the Elon plantations. Rubbish. Yeah, I think we have enough people. So, thanks Elon, but no thanks. No. Yeah, exactly. Oh my goodness, Pablo. Of nearly every public is tanked, and we no longer have the with is is a problem. Okay, goes yeah. No, I haven't. I honestly haven't looked at anything, Josh. It like it's just immediate response to like looking around and like yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense. That makes sense for sure, Pablo. Uh, Species in at 1.8. Okay, okay, yeah. Some countries are and the younger have having yeah that makes a good point. That's a good point. That's the same thing Josh is saying too. Yeah, okay, that's a very good point. Yeah, yeah. I mean, like young people don't want to have kids anymore. It's a symbol of younger generation not having kids. Yeah, Pablo. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. BTBD. Yeah, BTBD's done a really good job. A really good job holding 250. Right. It's done a really good job holding 250. The question is, can we actually break out of something, and can the spread improve? Jody. Um, yeah, they are incentivizing. Oh my goodness, interesting. Five zeros. At the open, pulling back to 20 for support. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. CUTR, back above 450. La 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 la. Yeah. Cool. Juan me. No. Sage, you're looking for a play, Frank? I'll take a look in a second. La, la, la. 1-on-1 session. Unbelievable. Anyways, there goes 460s for CUTR. 460s. Let's go, Sky. Come on, you'd be so proud. I just set my first stop limit. Let's go. What did you get in what are you playing? What are you playing? Let me know. What did you get in ad? What's your stop loss ad? Oh my goodness, look at Nexi, guys. Nexi's on drugs. I think Josh is right. Nexi really is on drugs. Yeah. What did you buy at? What's your stop loss at? Goes down when the market opens these past few days. It happens all the time, Richard. I mentioned this 300, actually 260, 250, however many trading days in a year. They are 252 trading days in the year. I mention that every single day I'm on here. It's like market open, sell off, market open, sell off, market open, sell off. Let's go, Sky. Got in at 419, stop limit. So I wouldn't recommend a stop limit. Actually, I would do a stop market order. Right? So stop market. Yeah. That 420 is a fire. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yup. 420 to 415, right? Beautiful. Now you have a lot of resistance here though. So 460, 460 to 465. Yeah, exactly, Wes. Exactly. Yeah, I wouldn't be using stop limits. Those things can screw you in 2 seconds. Yeah, next he found something. So for now, again, CUTR looks amazing, right? So I like what the stock is doing. It has proper momentum, right? Proper momentum. There goes 465. There goes 466. There goes 467, 468, 469. Oh my goodness, guys. Here we go for highs of the day. Come on. 470 incoming. Going once, going twice, and so to Tesh. There goes new highs of the day, guys. Oh my goodness, Sky. Look at that beauty. Good job. High five. Let's go. I Sky and I had like an impromptu one-on-one, and anyway, Sky, good job. Keep moving that thing up though. Keep moving it up. Right. So there's a potential double tops here at 473. Alrighty, there's gonna be a problem here, 473. So limit has a yeah you can Wes. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. ZCAR. Cool. ZCAR. Anyways, there goes new highs of the day. See. Oh no, that's not what I want, is it? 460 position early for a loss. He did. Yeah, that's different though. Um, that's different. It's different when it sells off and it consolidates and it's trying to go back up again. I think there's a problem here. Potential double tops. So be careful. Make sure your stop loss is in there. So yeah. What did you? Oh, you played options, Sky. You played options and you're down 4K. Is there a way? Is there a way to place a stop for the price? Is there a way? Is there any way to place a stop loss for the price a candle closes at? Yeah, you can. You just have to select the number, right? Look at Nexi, guys. Oh my goodness, Josh. Nexi's at new highs. Drugs, drugs, drugs. Oh, you got wrecked on SNTG? Okay. Yeah, make sure. Oh, yeah, that play you got in earlier. Yeah, so again, keep those stop losses really tight, right? It's so much easier for you to say, you know what, this is support. I'm getting in at 310. My support is 305. Let me take $100 loss, right? A $200 loss than it is to just leave it alone and then it goes down to $2.50 and then you're down 4K, right? So yeah, because you can easily make $100 back. Making the other part though, because I mean, look at how easy it is for you to make 10 cents, right? If you lost that 5 cents and you came back into this one, congratulations, you just made 30 cents, right? If I take a 5 cent loss, a 10-cent loss, I know I can make that back. But if I let it get to 50, well, now I kind of need some miracles, so keep those losses small. From 1670 almost for Nexi all the way back down to $15. Drugs. Roma IPOs live. Roma. Look at NKTX, guys. NKTX. Yup. Yup. Right. Musty. Hopefully you took some profits out of this thing, please. Hopefully, because that thing just went from green to red. That's a big red flag. Roma. It's just like the Roma. Roma Green Finance. Interesting. I know nothing about this IPO, but it's halted though. It's halted. I'm gonna leave it on. Yeah. So again, I think we have issues here at just above 470 for CUTR. So that thing needs to at least stay above the 9 or stay above 450 if we dip 20 as per TradingView. Huh, interesting. Okay. Uh, there's no damn action besides selling at the open. To be here for the open. No, it's really important though. Like it really is important to watch what's happening at the open, because there will be times so you see something breaking out and it will not look back. Right? It's I think people always yeah you wanna be able to like say, you know what, I'm only gonna show for the hour that the market runs in. Well, guess what? The other 5 hours are equally as important because you're actually seeing what's happening, right? It would be nice to show for 30 minutes and say, you know what, this is the run we're gonna get, and then let's leave, right? So can't do that though. Right? Can't do that. Don't do that. Uh, there goes kata kata Coursera, look at that, new highs of the day, guys. $4.80. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, 485. So again, it's holding the blue really nicely, which is good. What's your stop loss at? What's your stop loss at, Askai? What's your stop loss at? What is your stop loss at? So cool. You sold at 470. Okay, that's nuts. I mean, you went in at 420 to 470. That's a nice little scalp. They state that they have no material. They might as well be a spec then. Why? Why? Yes, yes, yes. So holding the blue line really nicely, really, really nicely. There we go. New highs of the day: 488, 490, almost. Almost. You got scared. That's okay. You made money. So you're scared. You're scared as you're making money. That's okay. See, like the psychology behind the market. You got scared because your stock was you were in the monies. You were making monies and you got scared. But then you bought something and then you were crashing and you didn't get scared. You're like, I'm down $1,000. I don't want to take it. I'm down two. Nope, don't want to take it. I'm down three. Nope, don't want to take it. But then you're like, oh. I'm making monies. Let me get out of here. Let me go. No, that there's nothing wrong with that. You made money. We should always be happy with profits. Na. Do you buy the breakout? I mean, this is not a breakout. It broke out already. Um, yeah, it broke out already. With the market. I know, right? Look at how good this stock looks. Look how damn good it looks. Look at how good it looks. It's holding the blue line. It's trending up, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And then you get scared. But everybody does that though, you know? It's like, hey, we're hitting highs of the day. But nope, I want to take my monies. Oh, I'm losing money. It's okay. Like, it's just, I don't want to take it. $100? Are you kidding me? You know what I could do with $100? You want me to take the loss? No way. No, I'm down $1,000. No way, Jose. I'm not gonna take this. My wife would kill me. You know, I could go. I could do a vacation. I want my money back, please. I want my money back. Yeah, no, that's just market psychology, though. Market psychology. La la la. Exactly, Sky. Exactly. Yeah, it is. It was a nice breakout. Yeah, it broke out already. It's been holding the breakout, right? So yeah, looks good. It's just extended up there though, you know. So that if you're looking for a brand new position, your risk is a lot higher. Uh, Losing is easy, to be honest. Stop hits and you're out. Managing winners is because you need to manage, you maximize profits. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a mindset too, though, right? So again, so BTBD, guys, is like we said, as long as BTBD stays above $2 and what, $2.50. I wish we waited longer to send that signal. All the way down to support at $2.50 because 250 is nicer, right? But we've mentioned 250 quite a bit. As long as BTBD stays above 250, I like it. You have resistance here though. You have resistance right up here at the 200 now. So it's going to need to break out of that range. Jody, are you holding a BTBD? Holding BTBD? BTBD. So yeah, resistance at $2.85. Anyway, so we'll come back and watch this from time to time. For now, the main focus is look at that thing. That thing pushed to 295 and then backed off. 295 and then back to 280. In a 255, Jody, beautiful. Congrats. Congrats. Beautiful. Yeah, it's trying, isn't it? It just has a lot of resistance up that 285. So it needs to clear that level. Needs to clear that level. Your $2.85. Read on FDH. I know, right? I know. Isn't that so we're feeling at 285 for now. Isn't that crazy? Right? This is why like I keep saying I don't care about news. I don't care about news. I don't give a damn about the news. You know? I no care, I no care, I no care. Why? Because we've seen crazy things happen. Some company says, "Oh, we're expanding and we're doing this," and it's like, okay, what does that really mean? And the stock goes up 1,000%, right? And then another company says, "Ooh, potential FDA fast track, for this promising drug," and the market goes green to red to the abyss, right? Isn't that crazy? So again, I don't care about the news. I care about the technicals, right? No, I don't care. Unless you're investing long term, which is not something we're doing with these names, right? Long term, yeah, you can absolutely. Like a MAM, a stock like a MAM, a stock like a MAM was something that had news at 40 cents. They had amazing news, cancer news. It went to $10 in 1 hour, from 40 cents to $10, and then went straight back to $2. Right after that time, you could say, you know what, this is amazing news. It's sold off. It's consolidating. Let me go back in. A MAM just got bought out for $27. Right, so that's something but you have to wait like for the sell off and then make a decision. Yeah. The ones they are on FOMO. Yeah, I have to sell the pops. Yeah, somebody's always selling. Somebody's always selling. Let me take a look here. See, 20%. All these weird stocks, all these like the Nexes and the CINGs, these crazy stocks. Stocks on drugs. Stocks on drugs. La 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 la. Saito, are you still in the chat? Let me know. Time frame 36, 34, 36. Good, nice mark. Very nice. Yep. Yeah, looks like again we hit resistance. I mean, getting close to $5 is impressive, and you should expect a dipski anyways. A potential retest, right? Breakout retest. So let's see what happens here with CUTR. What do I think about BTC tomorrow? I mean, if the ETF gets approved, Adam, if, right? So that's not an answer I can give you again. Take a look in Discord in in the crypto channel. Josh wrote an amazing like little like multiple paragraphs, right? I would read that. Right? You're asking if it's a good time to buy now? Oh lordy, Adam, where have you been this whole time, Adam? I will find you. You live in you yeah, where have you been, Adam? This whole time. See that this is this yeah Honestly, at this point, you're better, like, if you're interested in Bitcoin long term, you're better off scaling in like really slowly, or just waiting for a sell off. Just waiting for sell off. That was a great read. There you go. Right. So I would go read the in Discord, in the crypto channel. Josh. Uh, Keeps testing the breakouts, and now looks strong. Got it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on, BTBD, use this thing. I will find you. Here we go. Yeah, that thing has so many issues in the 80s. So many issues. BTBD. Rent is pumping. You mean in the market, or like in real life? I'm kidding. Come on, BTBD. If you're holding BTBD, type in yes in the chat. Has those swing ma'am in that? Yeah, it does. Wes, yeah, it's one of those stocks. If you're holding BTBD, type in yes. Come on, break out already. Yes, focus. Okay, come on, come on. Could go down even from good news. Yeah, Adam, it could, right? Think of all the major events, Adam, that you've been a part of, and ask yourself what happened after that. Yeah. Been in from Coinbase calls. Oh, I see, Adam. Yeah. Wait for the reaction. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think, again, I think the reaction will initially be positive, but then what follows that is what I don't know. So come on, just give us the breakout. 280. Okay, your entry is a bit higher. Yeah, I would feel, yeah, the entry is a bit higher because you're sitting almost right there, Justin. Right, you're hoping it breaks out. Yeah. Whereas like at 250, you're kind of sitting at support with an easier stop loss. So either way, though, we'll see if that thing eventually breaks out. So CUTR is still dipping. Yeah, kind of, kind of. MCRB. That's a sweet double bottom, isn't it? It's a sweet double bottom. Sweet double bottom. Straight to resistance, though, 160 resistance. Roma still halted. Yeah, rubbish. And Nexi is still on drugs. Nexi on drugs. You're looking at crypto? Okay. La, 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 la. Rents the runway. Uh, 9. Cool. Yeah, rents had a nice run. It's dipping now, though. Okay. Okay, sounds good, Justin. Sounds good. Do we like Holo? I mean, Mohammed posted it mentioned at a really good time, actually. Even like this retest was quite nice. I think Mohammed mentioned it somewhere at the bottom here, right? And then it hit a new high and then came back down. For now, Musty, that thing is going sideways, right? So it's just going sideways here. Telling you, these names are silly, silly, silly. All on drugs. Look at it go. 790. That thing broke above 750 and closed above 750 and said bye. Okay, see ya. Never. Spread is still crazy though, even though it's moving in the right direction. There goes $8. Sheesh. And it's about to skip up again. Yup. 816. 816 to 790, back to 820. New highs of the day, 830. And due for bleed, yeah. $8.20. The end of the bull cycle, yeah. Yeah. That used to be a thing. Every time we would see Dogecoin pump, Josh, we would say, okay, the crash is coming. Actually, it was Shiba. Every time Shiba would run, crypto would crash. Every time. Yeah. Yeah, Vance and Yee. Criminals. Criminals. Bearish. Okay, on that specific time frame. Yes. Tesla lowers the range estimate for US test rules. Okay. Pixie. Okay. Yeah, Pixie might actually be another one of these names. It fits the theme, in a way. Fits the theme. Scheduled. Cool. Thank you, Eve. Thank you. Yeah, crazy runner sympathy plays. Yeah, exactly. Quick scalpies and run. Quick scalpies. Oh, yeah, the Shiba burn. Yeah, that was fun. In hindsight, that was a waste of money. Hindsight. La, la, la. So Sky, that was a nice profit take, wasn't it? Right. So even though it went up a little bit higher, again, this is why we like the blue line, right? So any refunds available? So Gonskis, I wish we could get refunds. Give our monies back. Anyways, so again, look at that thing cross above the blue line, rally, rally below the blue line, it's done, right? Straight back to 450. I have interactive brokers, and it's super annoying each time you have to authenticate. Like, what do you mean? Like, I use TD, nosotros. Shiva burnt us. Yep. Well, you guys wanted to. You guys are like, let's do the burn. I was like, are you sure? You're like, yes, let's do the burn. I'm like, it's free, it's monies. You're like, yeah, I don't care. Let's burn it. Let's burn it. And then I said, okay. Alev, Lori? Okay. Let's take a look. I was drunk. I was drunk. Unbelievable. That's a nice boomski, Lori. Nice boomski. And the good thing too is like it's been holding a demand zone at 160 all morning long. So nice. Resistance at $2. Nothing's changed with this one. And operates out of the Cayman Islands. See, is business. Are those 16 employees from China? Maybe. Scammer alert going off. Yeah, that's the same thing Pablo said. Alev is, oh my goodness. Alev said $2. You can catch these. Wow. Hopefully you have a nice entry, Lori. Your 5 weeks completely feels weird. It does, really, virus. Yeah, I think maybe it takes time, to for that to be your 5 weeks is a long time though, which is good. Which is good. Yeah. Ayo, pizza, pizza. Good morning, good morning. They work for free. Huh. Interesting. Pizza. La 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 la. Pizza is one morning sober. Providing a seamless trading. Okay, cool. That does apply. Okay. La 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 la. I mean, $2 was resistance, so it ran to $2. It ran to $2 already, Sahil. You can do it. It's trying. It's holding a 1380 double bottoms there. Justin. 1380. You can do it. BTBD. Same stupid range. Roma. Hold it down for now. Hold it down for now. Wait, what time is the okay, perfect. We have to Uh, yeah, it's insane. Yeah, that thing seems crazy. Yeah, just be careful with it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, the spread is crazy. That thing just went from 790 to 990. Roma, highs of the day. Actually, that candle hit 720 or something. Wow. With gasoline now. Oh my goodness. That is wild. Yeah, just be careful. That is crazy. Let me look at the so we are a climate sustainable service provider. We are not a Chinese operating company, but a holding company. Huh? I like how they had to clarify. They're like, hey guys, nobody's asking us. We're not from China though. No, not that you asked. We're not from China. We are not a Chinese operating company, but a holding company in the Cayman Islands. As a holding company, we have no material operations of its own. We are just a scam. Anyways, we conduct our operations in Hong Kong through a subsidiary. We're in the Cayman Islands. We're not from China. We're from Hong Kong. You can't catch us. Or all over the place. If you try looking for us, you won't find us. Interesting. We support our clients' sustainable corporate growth and help to integrate sustainability related. But we have no services though. We have clients. We have no we have no operations, but we have clients. Who are the clients? If I told you, I'd have to kill you. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so 3.1 million shares, price range. See, the damn thing was supposed to IPO at $4, but for some reason it IPO'd at $10. Hmm. Anyways, cool. Holding, jeez. Should be 100. It should be. It was meant to IPO at 100 at $4. It's at $9.90. So technically, it's up quite a lot. Oh, that's a nice pop. That's a nice pop, Justin. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good jobs. We are not Chinese. Pump it. We're from Hong Kong instead, Vance. That means when boomskis, you know what happens in Hong Kong, right? Yes. HKD, Hong Kong. Send it. Nvidia. Nvidia is a monster. An absolute monster. What's Bitcoin at? 46.9. Okay. Still in range, Josh. MEGL? Yes. Hong Kong. They're reminding you, of what's possible. Of what's possible. That's smart-ish. Bruce Lee, also Hong Kong. Let's go. To be fair, Hong Kong is definitely a different vibe. Then, yeah, they had to clarify, Justin. Like, don't don't think we're from silly Hong Kong, from silly China. Hong Kong. La, 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 la. BTBD still in the same range. CING failed that resistance. Lev is still resistance at $2. Nexi, nice little bounce. Right? 1380. Nexi, $14. And then pop. So that was a nice scalp, Justin. Hopefully, it has more room to the upside. IVVD hot pepper. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now, hopefully, we get rid of this weird market vibe in the next bit, please. We need these crazy, crazy boomski days. We need to get back to what we had last year. For now, it's testing all your scalping ability is what this thing is doing. Scalping. So you just have to secure profits, quick move on, quick move on, quick move on. Look for another play. That's what the market is like now. If at some point we're gonna have those crazy runs. Those are topping wicks, yeah. Resistance at 1540 to 1560 anyways. Get rich this afternoon. Now. I beg. Oh my goodness, that's funny. See what Peter's cost? Yes. 1530. Is there a demand zone? There always is. Always, always. Would you like to know, Wes? What's your question? Yeah, there usually is. If you look in the just in case, okay. Yeah, these ones are all very similar, right? Yeah, TPST. Yeah, yeah. TPST. Yeah, aftermarket low. Okay, sounds good. There goes your fail for Nexi. Uh, uh, mm, gives. That nasty gap to $2. I know, right? Will that thing ever fail? Maybe at some point when we forget about it, we're gonna come back in 6 months and say, "Oh wow, it did it! It did it!" If this thing ever goes below $10, then yeah, it's gonna feel it. Sure. Let me take a look at QQQ. SQQQ. Oh yeah, I see where that level is coming from. Yeah, your demand zone is a little bit lower, Wes, right? So your support is a bit lower. Your last consolidation area is a bit lower, right? So 390 ish, right there, right? So 390 to 385. Level two has no sellers on the books. Yeah, that damn thing is crazy. Still halted at 990. BTBD is still being silly at 270. CUTR trying to curl off $4.50, right? So retest. 450. 450. La 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 la. Roma is open? Or Roma is at 1050 now? 1150, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my days. Look at that thing. Yeah, for a swing. Okay. That thing just went from 1050 to 11 from 1150 to 1050. What a crazy IPO. What a crazy thing. It's usually stupid stocks like this that end up doing, things. Probably, yeah, keep going lower. Yeah. Yep. 1111. 1122. Nvidia. La, 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 la. Ooh, we're really curling there now for CUTR. Sky, did you go back in? Or you're just watching? What do I think about Kimbella? Kimbella? Hmm. Anyways, what do you think about GRTX? What's your position in GRTX? Of course I did. Let's go. See, your stop loss is in the green now. Love it. Love it. Love it. La, 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 la. I think Sky just needs Sky's gonna crush it. Crush it for sure. Nexi retesting those highs again. You're in there as well, IBAN? Okay. Sounds good. 477. 477. Yeah. 1180 on that candle. That's Roma, by the way. Roma is dropping like somebody slapped it. Oh, yeah, that thing is way too scary for me with the bits. No thanks. No thanks. It's all over the place though. That's the good thing. Justin, the good thing here is like it's all over the place. Oh my goodness, look at it. It just went to $11. Look at this. Look. It just went from 980 to $11. No risk, no rally. Well, the good thing is you're green, Justin. Uh, Really? Oh my goodness. I'm fire at names, Fire names. The absolute best. I'm kidding. I usually butcher the names. So yeah, let me know what your position is, Kimbala. And I'll take a look. Take a look. 52-week highs. Yeah. Mark is in that one and he's smiling. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look at that thing go. 11:20. Okay, so a few more minutes, guys, and then I have to hop off and go do some one-on-ones. 11:06. Good job. No risk, no rary. What does rary mean, Justin? I know risk, no reward, but like, why don't we just say reward? What does rary mean? That's a Peter stop loss candle. Stop loss hits. Oh, Ferrari. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I see. Cool. Anyways, back to Katera. It looks good. What's your stop loss at, Sky? And I put it on my in your pocket. If tornadoes do hit today, the rescue dog will find me first. Scale. That's a good plan. Good plan. And then make sure that's if you don't eat the bacon before they find you. 450 I band. Good job. If your entry is 450, good job. Your stop loss should not be 450 though. I'm just scalping right now. Been in and out 3 times. Okay, nice, very nice. Yeah, your stop loss should not be at $4.50, please. I will find you. I will take your computer and change your password, and then you're not allowed to trade the markets again if your stop loss is 450. Alrighty, good. Just you're wondering? Just wait for the breakout, Musty. Wait for Z breakouts. You're better off FOMOing. If it's sitting at if it's 2 cents from resistance, what's the difference? No difference. So might as well wait for confirmation. Yeah. Roma tomato. I mean, Roma tomatoes are, these tomatoes are expensive now, Vance. So maybe that's why this thing is pumping. When it drops, though, we're gonna call it the Roma tomato. So 11:50, guys. Wow, we have a baby blue line now. Baby blue line. Yeah, BTBD is still holding up, right? It just needs to break the damn thing, right? We like it. We think there's potential. It's given us a base. We like the base. The damn thing hasn't broken out yet, so we need the breakout. Yeah, YOLO holo. Yeah, you're better off YOLOing when it breaks out, or on a retest to support or something. You know, so you don't end up being a Roma tomato statistic. Uh, Roma tomato. I like how you posted a picture of the Roma tomato. See, those are the best tomatoes, there, right? You think the solid tomatoes. Anyways, so we're failing at 480 again for CUTR. CUTR. Oh, now winner chicken dinner. Let's go, Justin. Let's go. So it's 279. Celeste 62. They wish it went to $62. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, become a member, right? Become a member, come join us in Discord. If you're not a GOATS member yet, we will be closing out the GOATS stuff at some point because there's only so many GOATS I can do. Like there's only so many hours in a day that we can do one-on-ones. So yeah, ready? And then we're just gonna close that out and then just do the ones we have. Because there's a schedule, there's a there's a at least a session for like every hour for every day of the week already. So we will at some point. So again, if you're not a GOATS member and you need help, I mean, like Saito lost $900. That's a lot of gold memberships. Alrighty. So again, your biggest asset is yourself. So if you're not a goats member yet, upgrade to goats and get some one on ones. Alrighty. We had a really good class, a goat class yesterday too. So that was good. Yeah. So, anyways, let's go goats. Uh, that Roma is further proof that there's sometimes reason what runs looks like what other better than companies with exactly Pablo, exactly exactly yep, exactly. Tesh, you're not a dog either, you're just useless, is what you are. You're not a goat, you're not a dog, you're not a chicken, um you're just useless. You have to embrace the vibes, Musty. Embrace. And then anyways, how much more time do we have? Get like 3 more minutes, and then 5 minutes. Let's do 5 minutes, and then I have to hop off. And then I think Mark. Okay, cool. Actually, you see, you need to work on your people skills. Love you, Dan. Is that better now? Is that better? Uh, for minus 16, honestly, Pablo, I have so many changes I want to make. At least 4 players. Yeah, Trent is pretty annoying. So now Trent is gone. It's an improvement. Okay, good. I'm glad. Glad. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, so many changes. So many changes. Uh, okay. What chart is that then? Let me go back to Katera. I like what the stock has done today. I like it a lot. Right. I like it a lot. I wish the float was smaller, but yeah. Stupid price action. Yeah, today's been a rubbish day. Today's been a rubbish day for futures, for most things, except for the little scalpies though in the market. Little scalpies. La 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 la. When breakout, when cut resistance. My goodness, how long does it take to break resistance, Dan? How long? Uh, 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Uh, uh, oh my goodness. Um, Gabon, play international, like for the national team, right? Uh, Gabon's Kanko will be meeting the disciplinary committee to explain why his mom died in 1986, but he was born in 1990. Oh my goodness. This is village vibes, village vibes. Anyways, hello. Yes, my mom died in 1986, but I was born in 1990. Yep, sure, sure. Yeah, until CPI Thursday, yeah. CPI Thursday. This thing wants to break out, but it's yeah, wants to. 490 next resistance. Oh my goodness, that's pretty funny. That is pretty damn funny. Anyways, Roma tomato looks like a proper Roma tomato now. So back to $10. Come on, break out already. I need one of these two stocks to break out: BTBD breakout or CUTR. In the village? Yep. 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 Oh my goodness, that's wild. Elon is spam again. I hate Elon spams. No proof of is required to for federal elections. Why is Elon stop spamming? Like, this is not important. Like, spamming it on Twitter, doesn't go like, mm, maybe not. Another fail at resistance, guys. $4.90. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Actually, the bid is not that great. So for BTBD, the bids are still below the resistance. So yeah, I know it's been more than 5 minutes, right? It's because Mark has a so he's gonna be 10 minutes late. So then I'm slacking. La, 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 la. Mm, 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 mm. La, 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 la. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We want the boomskis. We want the boomskis. So here's $2.85 for BTBD. It's an exact double top though, so we need to clear that level. An exact double top for BTBD. So we need to break out. Oh, I like what the bids are doing now. Way better than before. Way better than before. There we go. 286. Here we go. 290. Here we go. Boom skis, guys. Let's go. Let's go. BTBD finally broke out. Uh, there we go. 296. We want the boom skis. We want 299, guys. Give us $3. $3 going once, going twice, and sold. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Everyone in jumped. Yeah, they left one and came to the other one. Beautiful. Good morning, T. Good morning. Good morning. You're late, but next year. Okay, what did you miss? What do you mean? Like your entry? Hmm. Anyways, that's a nice run, right? So if you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding BTBD, type in yes in the chat. BTBD, let's go. Oh, 7 to 14. It's just momentum, T Blizzy. No, it's not like there was a catalyst. You're about to sell, Jody? Beautiful. Jody got in at $2.55, right? Beautiful, right? So again, we mentioned this in Discord this morning. Hey guys, as long as we keep holding $2.50, it looks like Nexi, doesn't it? Kind of. But anyway, so that's a pretty nice little scalpy, right? Took forever though. And now it's failing at 305. I think that's our next, yeah, okay, that's fine. It's our next little resistance there, just above $3. Yeah, out of it, Jody. Beautiful. Congratulations. Good job. Well done. La- Yep. Gail, you also out. Criminals. 299. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, let's see if we get a higher low now. Like now that we are above like the 9 and the 200, I would like to see that thing stay above. Right? Just because we're selling off from resistance doesn't mean it's done. If we can find a way to consolidate above the 280s, I think that's a really good thing, especially for a stock like that. No, 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 this. Uh, okay, sounds good. Here we go. So I still like what the thing is doing. It just needs to stay above these moving averages. David, you're all out. 295. Congratulations, David. Good job. Put it to the tight Tesh. You made 4 cents, 4%. 4 cents, 4%. Yeah. I mean, green is green, right? 301 was good enough, but still watching. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a higher low or something like that, Gail. Yeah. I like the aggressive stop losses. I like the aggressive stop losses. Slow thrust. Go, 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 go. Let's go, David. Roma is really becoming. Look at this Roma tomato, guys. Oh my goodness! Look at Roma. Hit, run, wait, rinse, repeat. Like it. Go, 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 go. Anyways, back to BTBD here. He is. Oh yeah, the minion is fire. Come on, 98, 298. Give us $3. There we go, $3, 301. Come on. Yeah, the spread is a bit interesting here. I think if you're gonna play with this thing now, you need to really wait for consolidation or just wait for a proper dip ski. Right? It's had a nice run, dip ski or a proper breakout. If not, you're playing with fire. Playing with fire. Do I like it still though? Yeah, I'm still gonna keep watching it for sure. Keep watching it for sure. So here comes another sell-off for CUTR to 3450 again. So that's interesting, right? That's interesting. So if we can find a way to stay above that level, that would be good. That would be good if we can stay above it. Uh, yeah. Sky, criminal. Let's see here. Yeah, I like how it's holding 290 actually. BTBD. Nvidia is at 530. How? When? Oh my days! Wow. I mean, that thing is impressive, but damn, 299. $3.10. 310. That's impressive. Here we go. $3, 301. Come on, BTBD. Come on, BTBD. What's the difference there, though? Huh. Nickels? Yeah, those cups are good though, right? There goes 304. There goes $3.04. 303. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So close. Come on. 304. The yeah, that block disappeared. I was getting excited because it was a nice block. Then the block got removed. Yeah. They took it off and then the stock said, excuse me. No, no, no. It's still at resistance though, right? It hasn't broken out yet, so don't FOMO when it hasn't broken out. You're waiting for above? Yeah, it hasn't broken out. So if it doesn't break out, then kind of be careful. Alrighty. Alrighty. Uh, Content partnership with Don Lemon. Oh, that's that guy. Elon. Elon the spammer. No, 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 no. It's a nice little trend up. Alev still failing at $2. Yep. BTBD. La 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 la. Anyways, yeah, I have to hop off. My goodness, wow. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then it's time to go. Any last questions? Last questions? If not, I will catch you guys in Discords, and hopefully, that's a nice curl. I like that. Sky, did you get back into this? Hopefully, you did. Um. Anyway, so yeah, I'll catch you guys later in Discord. Justin, welcome to Discord. I think everybody's going to be in Stock General or something, Justin, so see you there. And Roma is still selling off, thanks to Vance, because he called it a Roma tomato. But much love, Dan. See you later. Nevis, peace out. Be safe. See you, Jody. Yeah. Roma tomato, new lows. What did we expect? Anyways, Virus, have a wonderful afternoon. See you later. Already? Poll? Take a look at poll in Discord. Bye, guys. Be safe, guys. Bye, all. Bye, Gail. Thank you. Humble. See you later. Bye, bye. Peace one. Later, guys. Later.